Hey guys, it's Pastor Discover back in a new video. Today we're making a Lego outside scenery. The reason we're making a Lego outside scenery because, it's a bonus video. I realized I got a lot of subscribers and likes, a lot of them, so I decided to do a bonus video. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell to get more notifications about videos. Now let's get started. First, you'll need 12 2x4 brown circle pieces. And two 2x4 coat rack pieces. Just like if you can see my other video, how to build a Lego tree stump, that's basically what these are. Then you'll need 3 big leaves and 1 small leaf. Then you'll need a Minecraft a tree. Then you need 2 grass pieces, another plant piece, a big flower piece, a leaf, 2 1x1 green pieces, and a 1x1 pink piece. Now you're probably wondering how to get started, or how to build it too. Well, let's get started. First, you'll need 3 2x4 brown pieces. Then you get the next 2x4 coat rack, and then you get the next 3 2x4 brown pieces. You connect it to the top of that, just like this. But make sure you get the leaves next, and put some down here, but you can put the leaves on anything you want, just like what I'm doing right now. Just like that. You'll put this on right in the middle, just like that. Then you'll do the same thing of the tree trunk, the same thing as the other pieces. You get 3 2x4 brown pieces, and you connect it with a 2x4 coat rack piece. Then you get the next 2x4 pieces, and you connect it on just like that. Then you'll just put it on the side just like that, to look like a fallen tree. But I would recommend one of the 2x4 pieces come off, and put it off just like that. So it looks like if you've played Minecraft before, just say it would be just like that. Then you'll get the 1x1 green pieces, and you hook it onto the 1x1 pink piece. You add a little flower in there. Then you'll get the leaf piece. You can just put it on the plate anywhere you want. I'll put mine there, if you can see it. Then you'll get the next 1x1 green piece, and you can put it on anywhere you want because this is just a regular plant being grown. Then you get the other flower piece, and you hook it on anywhere you want. Then you get the tree piece, and you hook it onto the very back corner, just like that. And then after that, you get the plant right here. You can put it on right here in the back. By the way, it doesn't exactly have to be in a certain spot. You can basically put anything wherever you want except for the tree and the tree stump. But then you need the 2 grass pieces and put it in the very back for decoration. There. Now if you guys see my scenery, make sure you comment down below and smack that bell to get more notifications about my videos. And also, I'm still looking forward for that goal of 20,000 subscribers and likes on my videos. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.